Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to open your localhost on any device, on any phone or tablet, and you can do it either on Windows or on Mac. So let's dive right into it. First you type php-s, and then instead of normal 127.0.0.1 and then whatever port you want, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go in the terminal, or if you use Windows, you go into your Windows terminal or shell, whatever, and then you're looking for ifconfig or ifconfig. Now, if you're on Windows, you would use ipconfig. So instead of f, there's going to be a p. So then press enter. And now what we're looking for is our broadcast API, or either our API. So we're looking for EN0. And here it is. So in order to search here, you just use Command F, okay? And our EN0 is right here. And now which one? So what we're looking for on our broadcast, and it's right here, okay? So it is enet 10.0.0.8 net mask, whatever. So we're going to use this IP, I mean, I was trying to say API, but IP, yeah. So, and instead of our localhost, which is 127.0.0.1, we're going to use 10.0.0.1. And the reason why it will allow us to do that is because it is our broadcast IP, and it will work perfectly fine. I know I didn't say the reason, but it doesn't really matter since it is going to work. And the port probably is going to be 4001, and then press enter. And it didn't work because this port is probably taken by someone else. So instead, let's use, in order to get to the previous command, you use Control P, or Control P, I believe. So let's try 4002. It didn't work the same way. Okay, let's try the popular ones, 8880. And it didn't work the same way. Okay, it didn't work because I messed it up. Okay, so the reason why is because here is 8, right? It's not 1. So now it has to work with 400. Let's try. Worked out fine. Now let's go over here and open this up. And as you can see, here is my hello world, since I have my index.php. Now the problem here is, I mean, there is no problem. The question is, how do we open it in our phone? And in order to show it to you, here is my video recording, and yeah, it's a little bit delayed though, but it's my phone basically. I'm streaming my video or my face from my phone. Now I'll go to my phone and I'll try to share screen. Okay, continue, start now, and here's my screen. Okay, so it is important that you are in the same network here and there. Okay, I will check my network right now here, and as you can see, my Wi-Fi is max, MAX. Okay, and if I'll go on my phone, it's right here. As you can see, it's Xfinity Wi-Fi. Instead of it, I should have switched on max. And the funny thing is that this one is going to, okay, anyways, is going to reconnect or do something. Oh no, just connected. That's fine. Okay, so now we're in the same network. I just go into my browser and I am looking for 10.0.0.8 and then my port, which is 4001. Go, and it didn't work. And now we have to figure out why it didn't work. So let's check the Wi-Fi again. MAX. Okay, it didn't work because of course I did 4000, not 401, whatever. So, and here's our hello world, as you can see. So it worked perfectly fine, as you can see. Now I can go back probably and switch into my camera. Yeah, so as you can see, it works out, and I hope it was helpful. So if it was helpful, just check my another video that is how actually run this PHP server, because probably most of you don't have this php-s command, and in order to have this, you just check this video, okay? Or probably I'll just make a pop-up once I do that PHP, so that you can find this out. Again, I hope it was helpful. See you.